Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we will discuss about Java comments. So simulan natin. Create tayo ng bagong project. Then pangalan natin ng comments. So dito sa main class natin, so yung comments pala is yung Java comments can be used to explain Java code. So ginagamit ito para mag-explain ng mga codes at saka magbigay ng mga documentation kung paano mag-explain, ganyan. It can be also to prevent execution when existing alternative code. So nagamit din ito pag may codes tayo na hindi gagamitin, i-comment lang natin. So how to create a comments? So dalawang comments po yung sa Java. Merong single line comments at saka multiple line comments. So in single line comments, start with dalawang two forward slash. So ayan, dalawang forward slash at saka this is comment. So pwede ka nang mag-comment dito. So ayan, so system out print. So bigyan natin ng comments. So ayan. So nag-output tayo ng comments. So ito po yung single comments. Yung so yan, yung single comments ganito. Pag yung multiple comments na naman, yung gagamitin natin is let's start of slash asterisk, tapos asterisk at saka slash. So this is a multiple comments. So ayan, so pwede pang magdagdag in Java application. So ayan, pwede siya multiple line of comments. So ang kaibahan lang nila is ito, pag gagamit ka ng single line, so hindi yan magagamit dito hindi na yan gagana dito sa baba. So that's all for this video. So yan lang yung single line is double quote at saka yung multiple comments is dalawang slash na may dalawang asterisk sa loob. Tapos ito na yung gagamitin mo para mag-type ng comments. So ayan. So I hope you have learned a lot of this video. We learned about single and multiple lines of comments. I hope you learn, and see you on the next video, guys.